And while we wait that to be cooked, raise the heat a little bit, I'm gonna give you a news. This video, this cooking video at least, is it's probably gonna be most likely, I mean, it's not for sure, probably I will post it like in the far future, but for a while now, it is gonna be the last video I make for the cooking series. I was googling up some words to describe. I just looked up sorrow, but sorrow is not what I feel. I feel kind of I fucking nostalgic. I don't know, man. It feels, yeah, interesting. If you're wondering, the reason I'm saying this is probably the last video I make on the cooking series is that tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna go for 4 months in Sardinia and I'm gonna be working there. I'm gonna be a server. So yeah, what this means is I will have poor connection because where I live there is not much Wi-Fi and everything. And also most likely if I get a good rapport with the person who I'm working with, usually what happens when you work in restaurants is you eat at the place, so you basically eat whatever the chefs cook for you at the moment. And it's kind of strange for me because I will have to tell them I only eat animal products, and I'm gonna keep that for sure there. So it's gonna be a little bit strange, but if I manage to make like some kind of deal with them, I will be eating there and I will not be cooking at home because I'm gonna be pretty busy all day. So if I eat anything at home, I'm probably gonna, yes, sometimes I will surely cook some meat, obviously, but also on my days off. But I don't know if I want to record them because there is no Wi-Fi connection there. Essentially, I will have to see. Maybe I can like plug the micro SD on my phone and then make it upload from my phone where I'm at the restaurant, because hopefully they have Wi-Fi. I can do that maybe, but yet again I don't know if the Wi-Fi is strong enough. I don't know how long the videos are. I'll have to see. I also want to upload the workout videos, so we'll try to keep consistent on that rather than the cooking ones. Cooking videos, I mean, it's been a journey, man. I've recorded everything I've cooked in almost maybe more than a year. Yeah, sure. I don't know. Yeah, maybe not a year, but maybe, I don't know. I wonder. Yeah, I've recorded a lot of cooking content, and I started off with pure videos, very edited, and then I started just uploading fucking everything I recorded in terms of I wasn't editing anymore. I was like I can't be bothered editing. I don't like. I think it's better if I post something than nothing, because I have to edit videos and I don't want to edit them. So, and I've gone through that for a long time, but now it's kind of the time where this almost ends. I know if when I come back, I will be out I will be out for 4 months roughly. I'll be back maybe in October. I know if I will work in September, depends on how many people are there. And yeah, this is also my first time working as a proper server. I did like once on when there was like a, how do you call them, like a fucking marriage ceremony, I don't know, a wedding. It was a wedding. So yeah, other than that though, I've never done that, so I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty happy because I will be living kind of alone and in a beautiful place. I will be working my ass off probably, and I'm yeah, at least I speak English. That's my strong point, to be honest. It's gonna be interesting, man. Probably meet new people, stay in touch with a lot of people, like very different from my life here, which has been pretty stale for quite a few months. And yeah, my cooking videos are gonna kind of stop. So just wanted to give a heads up, and this is probably the last cooking video I make. And this omelette is taking a long time to cook. This is a method my mom told me to try. Like don't break the eggs before, and just put them into the pan. Fuck the luminosity. Wait a second. hopefully you, yeah, I mean, you probably saw me like all bright up, but yeah. Yeah, I was saying, she told me to drop the eggs in a pan and just, you know, break them down there. So this is what's happening. It's pretty cool. And keep the low heat, so I'm trying that. I also put some dairy product on top of that. I'll see how it goes. And yeah, man, that's the gist of it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Which is gonna be just waiting, so I may as well talk a little bit, since it is my last video on this topic. Just I'll give you like some behind the scenes for the few people that actually watch these videos in an engaged way. I can't imagine anyone. I know there is some, because I still get some views on the cooking videos, even if they are like 20 views sometimes. I wonder if people are actually engaged throughout the video and they listen to what I'm talking about, if I'm even talking, because I usually do not talk. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. If you're out there, man, I drop a comment. So I know people exist, and yeah, I'll give you some behind the scenes videos. And so I basically try to catalog. Since I've wanted, I did oopsie whoopsie, the camera died, and here I am. So I was saying I started like counting the episodes from a certain point on, because I was like, may as well count them, and I'm uploading the videos automatically. So what happens is AI made a script, and I managed to make something so that I upload the videos, like I place the videos in a folder, and I click a button and they auto upload, so I can batch upload the videos automatically. And even though I post daily, the meals I usually cook are usually like on the same day sometimes, because maybe I cook at dinner, both at lunch and then dinner, so I record 2 videos in one day, but I post them on 2 separate days. So yeah, sometimes, you know, I'm eating in the evening, sometimes in the day. So that's behind the scene, I guess. What else? Yeah, at a certain point I started not really doing them in chronological order. So you may have seen a video that was like 1 month old, and yeah, vice versa, I guess. It varies a lot, and that's all I can think about right now. But if you got any questions you wanna like ask about, I really doubt there will be someone who is curious about the behind the scenes of this incredible, fucking magnificent series, which has like no... Oh, actually, it's pretty ready. I can't think of any word to proceed with that sentence, so we'll switch the topic. Nice. Let's drop it in my plate. Let's see how this tastes, man. I'm very curious and pleased to taste this. It's not bad. It's actually pretty nice. I think I'll place some more of that dairy product on top of my eggs, just for extra umami. Yeah. Also, I very rarely use a how do you call them? Stickless pans. I can't think of. I'm having a brain fart. Like the pan with, how the fuck do you call them, man? it's not a stickless pan. Anyway, you get what I'm talking about, like the coated pans that don't make the food stick to the. I don't know why, it's such a common word, man, I don't remember it. I usually use a simple stainless steel, a non-stick pan. Non-stick pan, I think. So I usually use yeah. So this is not even like representative of my whole journey, but I don't want to make anything special or like typical. I don't honestly give a fuck. And yeah, I wanna keep this very chill. But yes, I'm gonna enjoy this in the other room because there is my mom, and I'll not see her for quite a while, so I'm gonna spend some time with her. And obviously, I just wanna eat off camera. So yeah, I guess thank you so much for everything, and thank you for tuning in every day. Probably, maybe, I don't know if the views are like recurring people, but I guess so. Usually YouTube works like that. So yeah, thank you for everything, and it's been a pleasure. It's been a journey. I've shown you how I eat every day, basically. Some exceptions and not exceptions because I eat something else. Because sometimes I don't record the videos. I just eat whatever is in my cabinet, and I don't cook. So yeah, but you've seen what my diet is, and I'm very glad I recorded all of that just for the record, to log everything. Probably useless, but if somebody watched it, I guess it wasn't that useless. So yeah, bye bye.